How to use the Resolve effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the Edit page. On the left side, click on the Effects library. Then, scroll down to the Effects section. Here you will find many effects like blurs, glows, and stylized looks. Next, choose the effect you want by clicking and dragging it onto your video clip in the timeline. After the effect is applied, select the clip and open the inspector on the right side. This is where you can adjust the effect settings to make it look just how you want. If you want to try different effects, you can stack them on the same clip or toggle them off from the inspector panel. You can also use keyframes in the inspector to change the effect over time for more dynamic results. Finally, when you finish adjusting your effects, play the clip to see how it looks. If you are happy, continue editing or go to the Deliver page to export your video. And that's it. Now you know how to use Resolve effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.